guys, and welcome again to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you some important, or you can say essential summer skincare products which you need to have in your vanity to take care of your skin better. I'll be including the face washes, the face scrubs, the body lotions, moisturizer, night cream or other options. So if you would like to know, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the face washes, so first of all what I have is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Face Wash by Body Shop, and this is the most favorite for summers for me. And as you can see, I already finished it off, and I have to get one more for myself, as I have dry skin, but still I use it and I like it because I have some acne problems also, as you guys know. So this takes care of that. It deep cleans my skin and kills the bacteria, and and leaves the skin very nice and clear. Next what I have is the Patanjali Activated Carbon Face Wash. So it actually deep cleanses your face but leaves the skin dry in winters. That's what I have noticed, but in summers I feel that it will work well, and especially if you have oily skin, this will work good for you. So moving on to the face scrub. So it is very important to exfoliate your skin in summers to get rid of all the dead skin cells, dirt, pollution, and all those sort of things. The first option what I have for you all is this Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Scrub, and it does have the antibacterial properties, which is good, and it exfoliates and purifies the skin, and it also fights with germs and bacteria. So I like this one also. And next option what I have is this Garnier Skin Natural White Complex, and it is actually 3-in-1. You can wash your face with this, you can scrub your exfoliate your skin with this, and even you can use this as a face mask. So it is very important to exfoliate your whole body also. So for that I have this coffee scrub option here. So what it actually, it is very good exfoliant, and I always use it in summers as well as in winters. So we move on to the moisturizers now. So the first one what I'm gonna tell you is this oil free moisturizer by Clean and Clear. If you people have oily skin and acne prone skin, then I would definitely recommend this moisturizer. This one is by Johnson and Johnson, and it actually, it moisturizes your skin without making it greasy, which is good, and it doesn't clog your pores. It is oil free, and it also helps to prevent pimples. And next one by Face Shop, and it's a white seed moisturizer, and trust me guys, it is so good, and it is gonna be my favorite for this summer, that's for sure. It blends out like magic when you apply it, and just in one spread, it feels like it gets absorbed into your skin. It's real hydrating, so I like this one. And next is the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. You can also use this one on your face to moisturize as a moisturizer if you have oily skin and you don't want to make it more greasy or oily, you just want to keep your skin hydrated, then this one will work best for you. The last option what I have for the face moisturizer is the one by Kaya. It is a purifying nourisher. If you have acne and pimple prone skin, then go for this one. This actually hydrates your skin, nourishes your skin without making it greasy, and also take care of your acne. And moving on to the body lotions. So in body lotions I have the Lotus White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Hand and Body Lotion. So it is actually a very good body lotion. It has SPF of 25, which is good, and I really like this body lotion or moisturizer, whatever you say. So this is also a good option. I even sometimes apply it on my face, because in summers you don't need that much moisturization, you just need to hydrate your skin. So I sometimes use my body lotions as my face moisturizers. So the next option I have is by VLCC Mulberry Lightening Body Lotion. And please don't come to any conclusion and be judgmental that I believe in that skin whitening products, but I feel that there is nothing bad in maintaining your actual skin color, because in summers when you go out it's very hot and humid, and you do get tan, and that's why there's nothing bad to achieve your, to maintain your natural skin color. So that's why I like this one also, though it doesn't have any whitening effect, but it still hydrates my skin well. I love the smell of this, and it has UV protection also, and I use it as my face moisturizer also, and it works very good for my skin. And the last one what I have for body lotion is this baby body lotion. This one is by Kiku or Chiku, whatever you call it. I call it as Kiku. So this one I use it for my baby, and it's very light on the skin and blends out very easily. It's very, water based body lotion, so that's what you expect from a body lotion to be in summer. So that's why sometimes I apply even this body lotion, and I like this. Last option what I have is this one by Estee Lauder from the Sensuous range, and I just love the smell of this body lotion, as in summers it is very important to smell good, and this will keep you fresh and feel fresh, and it hydrates your skin well at the same time, but it's a little bit costlier. So what I do, I normally use it on special occasions, or whenever I'm going out for dinner or something like that sort. So I use it occasionally, not on daily basis. Now moving on to the sunscreen. In sunscreen I have two options. The first one is this by Inveda. It has SPF of 30, and this one, why I like this one, because this is actually very light and gel based. It's not that it doesn't make my skin greasy like almost all the sunscreen does, and it does its job what it has to, and it has SPF of 30, and it blends out easily. It even moisturizes my skin, so I like this one. Second option what I can give for you all is the Lotus sunscreen that has SPF of 50, which is good, and if you are going out, then I would recommend to use the SPF 50 sunscreens, and that one I like. Before using this one I was using that one only, but one thing which I didn't like about that, because it does tend to make my skin little bit sticky and greasy, so that's why I switched to this one. Now for face mask, I have two options for you guys. If you have oily or normal skin, then you can use this one by Khadi. It's a rose and orange face mask, and it is very nice. It helps in fighting with germs and dirt and pollution. It also helps in taking out the pigmentation, as it has orange in it, and it also helps to subside the acne and pimple prone skin. So that's why I like this one. Also, if you have a dry skin like me, then I would recommend to go for White Jasmine face mask by Spa Salon, and this is actually a very nice face mask if you have dry skin. It clears your skin, brightens the skin, and it leaves a nice glow on your skin at the same time without leaving it dry. Next, what I would like to recommend you guys is to always keep a face wipe pouch in your handbag, because it is very handy dandy, and whenever you would like to you are not feeling fresh and you want to just have a freshness boost, what you can do, you can wipe your face with that, and after that what you can do is you can use this Kama Ayurveda rose water, and you can just spray it all over your face, and after 5 minutes you will start feeling fresh as you were feeling in the morning. So it is very good option. Always wash your face first with a face wash before going to bed, and apply a good moisturizer whatever suits you. And but before that, always use a toner. So the one which I use is by Kaya Skin Clinic. This is the purifying toner. Since you can see I have acne problems, so this works well for me, and I have some open pores also, so this one take cares of that also. And after applying that one, and you can apply your moisturizer, or also you can apply some serum if you have. Lastly, I have an option for talcum powder. If you're a person who like to apply a talcum powder around your neck area in summers, then I would recommend you to go for the Enchanter. This one is the alluring, and it smells amazing. It smells amazing, and that's why I love this one. It doesn't feel very powdery, it is very smooth. So yeah, that was all for my summer skincare essential products. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a like, and also share it with your friends, and follow me on social media. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.